Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Kids. So today we are learning about AI since we learned grammar in our last video. Did you know that some of the most iconic moments in modern cinema were made possible by AI? That's right. Hollywood has been quietly using artificial intelligence to create, enhance and market movies like never before. Today we are going behind scenes to explore how AI is shaping the film industry, from writing scripts to creating lifelike visual effects. Let's load the tape. AI is also changing how actors are cast and even who or what is cast. Virtual actors created using AI and deepfake technology are starting to appear in films. These digital characters can act, speak, and even emote like humans. Take the movie Rogue One, a Star Wars story. For example, a young Princess Leia was recreated using AI, while the ethics of replacing AI real characters with virtual ones is still being debated. The possibilities are endless. Imagine a future where your favorite actor could star in movies along what they have retired or even after they have gone. Streaming platforms like Netflix and Disney Plus also rely heavily on AI to recommend movies and shows. These algorithms analyze your viewing habits, preferences, and even how long you watch a show to predict what you will want to see next. It's not just about convenience, it's a business strategy. The more time you spend watching, the more likely you are to stay subscribed, and AI makes that happen. So what's next? AI is already helping directors visualize scenes before they are filmed, creating virtual sets, and even assisting with live action shots using AI-driven cameras. The dream: fully generated AI films, where the script, visuals, and even music are created by machines. While that's still far off, we are already seeing hints of in experimental projects. Script writing and pre-production. Let's start with the foundation of any great movie, the script. Believe it or not, AI is already playing a role here. Tools like ChatGPT and other AI-based platforms are helping writers brainstorm ideas, generate dialogue, and even create entire plot outlines. Think of AI as a collaborator, one that never runs out of ideas. It doesn't replace creativity but can speed up the process, help with those dreaded while writers blocks. AI also helps with pre-production, storyboarding. Software power provided by AI can predict what types of scenes or angles will resonate best with audiences based on past data and trends. Imagine knowing what will captivate your audience even before you start filming. That's the power of AI in pre-production. Now let's talk about one of AI's flashiest roles, visual effects. Remember the de-aging technology used in The Irishman or the lifelike Hulk in Avengers Endgame? AI algorithms were behind these groundbreaking effects. AI-powered tools like deep learning are used to track facial expressions and body movements, making CGI characters look more realistic than ever. It's not just about making things look cool, it's about pushing the boundaries of what's possible in storytelling. AI even helps with automating tedious tasks like rotoscoping, cutting out objects or characters from a scene frame by frame. What used to take days now can be done in hours. Even before a movie hits the theaters, AI is hard at work. Studios use AI to analyze scripts and predict box office success. AI even generates movie trailers tailored to specific audiences. For example, AI can create an action-packed trailer for adrenaline junkies and a romantic one for fans of drama, all from the same movie. Talk about knowing your audience. From script writing to stunning visual effects, AI is revolutionizing Hollywood. It's making movies more creative, efficient, and yes, even more personal. But with these advancements come challenges, specifically around ethics and creativity. What do you think? Will AI help or hurt the movie industry in the long run? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit the like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next grammar video.